And what is the CICC doing, sir, para mapigilan itong online grooming?
So kami naman again, we are coordinating with all our government partners, but more importantly, we are coordinating and we would form strong partnerships with the developer community at saka yung gaming community, no. Yun talagang plano. The ban, the solution to ban is temporary. And alam namin it's not a permanent solution. It's not even an effective solution kung halimbawa outright ban kasi you'll just force them underground. Para lang yan yung illegal gambling, Sir Willard, no? So it has to be strictly regulated. Yung ayaw mag-comply, yun ang ibaba natin. But we have to come up with some regulations based on marami tayong pwedeng pagkopyahan eh, based on international standards kung ano yung dapat na mga rules with regards to child safety on with online games. Uh, Doon natin nakikita na yung effective na talagang sugpo at saka papahina dito sa online grooming tsaka itong mga mass shootings based on online na who were conditioned in by online groomers, ano, a strong partnership with the private sector and our allies, Sir Willard.